Evening, bachcho. This question related to structure of atom was asked in JEE Main 2021. That is according to Bohr's atomic theory. Number one, kinetic energy of electron is proportional to z square upon n square. Number two, the product of velocity of electron and principal quantum number n, that is Vn, is proportional to z square. Number three, frequency of revolution of electron in an orbit is proportional to z cube upon n cube. Number four, Coulombic force of attraction on electron is proportional to z cube upon n to the power 4. तो इनमें से हमें करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट्स देखनी है. व्हाट आर द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट्स? तो इसमें हम जो रिलेशंस यूज करेंगे वो हमने यहाँ लिखे हैं. दैट इज रेडियस ऑफ द बोर्स ऑर्बिट इन nth ऑर्बिट इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू n स्क्वायर बाय z because it is 0.529 n square by z angstrom. Then velocity of electron in nth orbit is proportional to z by n. Then kinetic energy of electron is proportional to z square by n square. Okay. Then total energy of electron is minus 13.6 z square upon n square, that is negative of the kinetic energy. अगर हमें पोटेंशियल एनर्जी निकालनी है तो हम टोटल एनर्जी में से काइनेटिक एनर्जी घटा देंगे. सो वी विल गेट -2 टाइम्स of kinetic energy, that is -2 into 13.6 z square upon n square. That will be the potential energy. And frequency of revolution nu is equal to 1 upon time period, and time period is 2 pi r upon v. So it is proportional to r upon v, and r is proportional to n square by z. Okay, and v is proportional to z by n. So these two relations we have applied here, and hence this time period is proportional to n cube upon z square. So nu will be proportional to z square upon n cube. Okay, and the Coulombic force of attraction, that is equal to q1 q2 upon r square, and q1 q2 is ze into e upon r square. Okay, this is the nuclear charge. Okay, and electronic charge is constant, so e is constant, so we say it is proportional to z upon r square. And here we will put the value of r, that is r is proportional to n square by z. So this will come as proportional to z cube upon n to the power 4. Now we will use these relations to find the correct statements. So kinetic energy of electron is proportional to z square by n square. So this is correct. First statement is correct. Velocity of the product of velocity and n, that is proportional to z square. Here we see v into n is proportional to z, not z square. So this is not correct. Second statement is not correct. First is correct. Third is frequency of revolution of electron, that is nu, is proportional to z square by n cube, not z cube by n cube. So third is also not correct. Fourth statement, that is Coulombic force is proportional to z cube upon n to the power 4. So this is correct. So first and fourth statements are correct. Thank you and wish you all the best.